The California olive industry was developed in the 1760s with the Spanish missionaries bringing the olive tree into California. Today, 99% of American olives are produced right here within California. Olives like these are all hand harvested, and that is to preserve the quality and the integrity of the olive that's so important to Lindsay olives.
We have a 102-year-old family recipe that we have improved on and that we think make California ripe olives the most delicious.
Many people don't know it, but olives are actually harvested green on the tree, and then through our unique processing methods, we turn them into that nice shiny black color that you see in the can today.
There's an olive for every occasion: breakfast, dinner, parties, and unlike most foods, they're fruity and savory.
Here at Lindsay Olives, we're absolutely obsessed with perfection, and we select only the best for the Lindsay Olive brand.